I'll kind of give both. Yeah, it all depends. I would give both.
कितने excited है लोग इस आंसर को लेके?
तो चलिए थोड़ा थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन भी कर दीजिए.
Well, मैंने इसलिए दोनों उठाए क्योंकि I think ज़्यादातर I have honestly never faced it. There is a difference between a casting couch and एक normal आपके साथ कोई colleague wants to take you out on a date or wants to forward a relationship. There's a difference between that, so that cannot be called sexual harassment. It becomes sexual harassment or it becomes a casting couch when you're pressurized. कि आपको pressure है कि until and unless आप you don't make me happy, I cannot make you happy kind of a situation, which unfortunately I think मेरे साथ कभी नहीं हुआ. I think most of the time मेरे heroes भी मुझसे डरते थे. तो I think that I fortunately have never faced. लेकिन हाँ ज़्यादातर सुना है कि especially happens with people who are really desperate or overtly ambitious, जो सोचते हैं कि this is the way to being successful, which I think I would sort of blame both parties. I wouldn't be unfair and say, oh, unless a rape has taken place, that's an entirely different thing. Depends on how the desperation of the situation. So these I would balance this out and say, okay, yes and no. These things happen and sometimes these things don't happen.
I would just beg to differ because I think that it's very easy to, the young people who come to this city with dreams in their eyes thinking we want to make it. And they may not have any film connections or may not be part of any kind of film family. And of course they're ambitious, they want to make it. So I think it's very important to not label them as desperate or ambitious as though it's a derogatory thing. And also understand that why should they not be ambitious to achieve what they want?
No, but not
but that's
the way of sleeping on.
No, but what I'm saying is that
the thing is that it depends on the situation, on the situation of a person, and the situation is exactly what you described. I did not want to go on by saying and only singling out people who come from out and demean them by saying that, oh, these small towners only do this. This happens at every degree. It happens at every level, so it could be out of town.
No, what I'm saying is not that. What I'm saying is that even when people make those choices, they make those choices because somewhere in their heads they think that is the only way, because they have a perception of this system. So I'm not saying it's not about right or wrong. What I'm saying is that you feel
लेकिन वो choice लेने से वो perception